Damn it, blew another coil. I'll reach in here and see if I can't replace this one. First one I couldn't replace. Look at this mess. I can't get the mother... Anyway. Yeah, coil blew.
What?
2 spots. So, this was the first furnace I bought. I blew the coil out at max temperature, just a little too long. So I tore it apart thinking, I'll just order me a new coil. And I was getting it all apart. And they have this cable, I think it's like rigidized on there. I really couldn't get it off. I went ahead and bought my second furnace, which was this one, and they're relatively cheap. I think I spent a max of $200. Well, the switch went out, so I robbed the one from this one. It was running good. Then I was running it too hot and long again and blew that coil out. That was the second one here. I don't know where the other pieces are. So I thought, well, this one came out pretty nice and easy. I'm just going to go ahead and order another coil and shove it in there. You can only find one coil that's wrapped in ceramic, it seems like, anywhere. I mean, you can go ahead and take that off and buy the wire, which ain't cheap, and then coil it up and wrap it up. I'm too lazy for that. So I found this one coil. I think it was on Amazon. And you can already see how that's a different size. Different size. Well, it's about the same size. And notice how the wires are curled up. They're the same on that one. I probably could have got away. I probably could have got away with this one for this first furnace. Just had to buy some new cable. After dealing with this, that, then buying this as the only replacement that you can find on the internet, I went ahead and bought the actual furnace that is made for. Castmaster 3000. Of course it's in a box All right, check this out. This actually comes with a book and instructions. Something, yeah. The other two I bought didn't have anything like that. Huh. That's the third pair of these I got. Come on. Oh, gee. Whoa. So this is going to be the crucible. That's a nice one. I like that. Warning. So right away, after unpacking this unit, I'm pretty sure they're all the same when it comes to inside. Maybe different parts from China, different areas of China. Everything comes from China. I wish I would have bought this one first, but now it's being cheap and going with the cheaper one. And then just finding out that it's a pain in the ass when you blow out a coil. Castmaster sells a replacement coil, $100. I'll drop $100 any day to have to buy another unit, you know. So that's my recommendation. The decision's still yours. Hey, this one even came with instructions. I like that. The other two I bought didn't. But at least they'll get me somewhere with a better understanding on how to keep from blowing out a coil, maybe. Oh, and also, don't forget the free gift. We'll give you a little graphite block mold. Golden ticket. All right. See you on the next video.